Alright, today class, me and my partner Jake are going to show you guys how to do single variable inequalities. He's going to show you guys 5 problems and how to, step by step, how to do them and understand them way better. So for number 1, the equation is y is greater than 4. So with this one, you don't have any extra numbers that you have to cancel out or anything, so you can just draw your line and do the problem. You want to make sure you put where the 0 is, and then draw your hash marks. So, y is not equal to 4, so it's going to be an open circle. And the way I know that y isn't equal to 4 is because there's no line underneath the sign. So now, the line is going to go to the right because y is greater than 4.
Dude, it's recording, bro.
Oh my god, okay. So for number 2, the equation is m is greater than or equal to 3. So this is similar to the first one, except for now, m can also equal 3. So it's going to look a little bit different when we put it on the line. So then you draw your line, make sure to put your 0, do your hash marks, and then it's going to be a filled in circle. But it's still greater, so it's going to go to the right. Okay, so for number 3, it's a little bit different than the first 2 because you have a half. So what that looks like is 1/2 x is less than or equal to 6. So with this one, what you have to do is you have to get x by itself. And how to do that is you have to divide by 1/2 by both sides to keep it equal. That leaves you with x is less than or equal to 6 divided by 1/2. So now with that, you can put 6 over 1 and then flip and multiply, and I'll show you how to do that. And 6 times 2, that's 12, which leaves you 12 over 1, and then that could basically just be 12. So then you have x is less than or equal to 12. So now we have something that we can actually put on the line. So you're going to draw it, put your arrows, put your 0, and then draw your hash marks. And x can equal 12, so it's going to be a filled in circle. And then x is less than or equal to, so the line is going to go to the left side. And that is how you do number 3. So for number 4, it's going to be harder than the ones we've done before because it has more numbers. So the problem is 18 is greater than or equal to 2x minus 4. So So your first step is to add 4 so that you cancel it out, and then you're going to add it to this side to keep the equation equal. So 18 plus 4 is 22, and then you have 22 is greater than or equal to 2x. So with that, you still need to get x by itself. So you need to divide by 2, and then divide by 2 on this side also. That gives you 11 is greater than or equal to x. So you can leave that the same, or you can flip it around, and then you can have x is less than 11, or x is less than or equal to 11, but it's the same thing. So now you can draw your line. Then you put your 0. And then, since it can also be equal to, it's going to be a filled-in circle. And since x is less than 11, your line is going to go to the left. So that is how you do a problem that has more numbers on the side with the x. My boy Davion, he's here to help me show you guys how to do these math problems. So number 5 is set up the same way as number 4, it's just got different numbers in it. So the problem is 2x plus 12 is less than 20. So to do this one, you need to subtract out the 12 from both sides. So then you have 2x is less than 8.
And then you divide it, right?
Yep, that's right. You see that? That's my boy. He knows how to do it. You got to divide this too. And then that leaves you with x is less than 4. So now you can make your line.
So I'm gonna draw an open circle. Go this way.
The reason this is open is because there's no line underneath the sign. So it is also less than, which is why the line goes to the left. And that is how you solve number 5. Jay, you started it late.
Just go crop it out.
Okay. Stop laughing. Dude, why did you already start it?
Sorry, bro. I knew you started.
I heard the fucking thing.
Stop cussing, dude. It's just a video from Mr. Kisner, my nigga.
We're gonna delete this one anyway.
No, we're not.
Yeah, we are. Delete it right now. We're starting a new one. Alright, today class, we're gonna, me and my partner Drake are gonna teach you guys how to do it. Dude! What? Alright, today class, me and my... Fuck! The reason that's how it is because x cannot equal 4 because there's no line underneath.